Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fanny Ratulia. You can call me Fanny. I'm 18 years old and I'm come from Bengkulu, personally in city of Bengkulu, July 25, 2006. My hobby is reading books, especially novel. I also like singing. I'm an English student of the biology education study program at the University of Bengkulu. My interest in the world of biology began since high school, where there was a practicum on biology material. I'm making this video to apply your scholarship. I'm very enthusiastic to follow this scholarship because as a child from a simple family, I'm very grateful for the opportunity to continue my studies in college. This scholarship will greatly help me to concentrate full on studying and activate the best achievement. Done with the scholarship, I hope I can ease my parents' burden in terms of college coach and make my parents proud as the first child to get a bachelor degree in my family. In addition to financial problems being a strong motivation to get a scholarship, I have interests and talents that I believe are capable to studying well and being to graduate as bachelor who has specific expertise in the field of biology education. After graduate from the biology education study programs, I plan to continue my studies to the master level, then work as a teacher. I am sure that the knowledge I gained during college will be very useful in achieving the goals. I'm very grateful for the opportunity given to participants in this scholarship selection. I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider my application. Bye.